gardener friends. So today we are going to discuss about Leca. There are so many confusion and queries about Leca, so I thought that I must make a video on Leca. So we will discuss what Leca is, what are the benefits of Leca. We will discuss one by one. So let's get started. The full form of Leca is lightweight expanded clay aggregates. It's nothing but it's a small clay balls which are baked at 2000 degree Fahrenheit temperature. So if they are baked at that much of temperature, what happens?
Small cavities and pores are built in Leca balls, which helps balls to retain air and moisture inside it. Due to good number of cavities, the balls become light in weight, and good aeration allows the development of root in a faster way. The other benefits of the Leca are it's easier to water your plant and less risk of root rot. Risk of getting pests are also reduced, and you can easily check in on your plant.
Now we will discuss how to use Leca in semi-hydroponic. So the first step of the Leca is to wash the Leca balls
in order to remove all the impurities, dirt and dust. For washing, directly rinse the ball in running tap water and gently rinse with both hands to remove the impurities and dirt. For good result, wash the ball for at least 2 or 3 times. After the balls are washed, they were soaked in water for at least 1 hour before use.
If you have time, 12 hours is a very good time in which Leca ball you can kept in water. So the third step is that the plant that you are going to propagate in as a semi-hydroponically, wash their roots properly in order to remove all the dust and dirt. And the fourth step is that preparation of semi-hydroponic unit is take a cylindrical jars like this and put up these Leca balls up to the half of the jars. And the cuttings that I am going to use is pothos of both colors, the golden pothos and queen pothos, and put in such a way that it should be embedded in Leca balls. As you can see here, I am going to fill these Leca balls around the stem of these pothos. Similarly, I am doing with all these kind of cuttings that I am going to propagate semi-hydroponically. So I have already propagated various plants as semi-hydroponically, like spider plant, pothos, this aclypha, 2 variety of aclypha, the red one and the green one. In gonium, it looked quite stunning into this cylindrical jar. Cheese vine, rhododendron, Brazil. Now the question is how to give the nutrients to this system, because these Leca balls do not give any nutrients to the plant. We can give these nutrients through outside sources, as you can give this hydroponically micronutrient solution or the seaweed fertilizer. So what you have to do, you have to just make a 1 liter of water and you have to put 2 ml drop of this seaweed fertilizer and prepare a solution and give it to the plant. So first of all, I will prepare this solution and I'll show you how does this look like. 2 ml of micronutrient is dissolved in 1 liter of water as a proper nutrient solution for plant growing hydroponically. Leca itself do not provide any nutrition to the plants. So the nutrition is given through the outsources. Like we have dissolved micronutrient in 1 liter of water. Now we are going to fill up this cylindrical tube with this micronutrients. So what you have to do, you have to just fill up this 1/3 portion of this cylindrical tube. You can see here. First I am going to fill up this 1/3 of this bottle through micronutrients. See, 1/3 portion of this bottle is sufficient. I am going to fill all these devices in similar way. So through the capillary action, Leca balls provide nutrition to the roots of the plants, which are helpful for the growth and germination of the plant. We have already filled up all the setup through micronutrients, and 1/3 portion is sufficiently enough for this device. Now the question is that at what interval you can fertilize your plant. So you can fertilize your plant at fortnight interval. I'm a bit lazy, so I will not do this, and 1 month is sufficiently enough to replace the water. Many people asked me that what kind of bottle we can use for this semi-hydroponic solution using Leca balls. So my answer is that always use these cylindrical pipes or cylindrical bottles like this. Never use narrow neck flask. What happen if you are using, because once the roots get established and you will try to pull out the plants, so what happen, either you have to break the roots or you have to break the jar or whatever the material you are going to propagate your plant, because the neck is narrow, and once you pull out they will not get removed from that narrow jars. So always use this cylindrical bottles, which are very adequate for this kind of semi-hydroponic. So friends, I hope you have greatly enjoyed this video. If you like this video, do not forget to give a thumb, and I'll meet you next time with a new topic. Take care of yourself. Till then, tada bye.